How to fix Instagram sign up problem. Hello guys, on this short video or this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram sign up easy and fast. All what you have to do is very simple. Open the settings on your phone, go to the apps right here, go to apps, and now all what you have to do here is just go to the Instagram. Now all what you have to do on this page is very simple. Click here on this option, it's called power usage details, and then click here on this force stop right here, and then go back. Now all what you have to do is click here on force stop again, and yeah, now all what you have to do is reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.